Hey guys, once again welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to tell upon a most trusted platform. Here you can earn a lot of money from this platform. Simply you have to click on a description. After click on a description you have to see a link, and after clicking on a link you have to see this type of interface. This is the main interface of a platform. Here you can register. Here simply you have to put your email address, and then you have to put login password, then after confirm password, then transaction password, then referral code is automatically filled up. Then you have to simply click on register now, and after clicking on register now the registration is completed. Our platform name is OBB Mall. Here you can earn a lot of money from this platform. Simply we are clicking on register now. After clicking on a register now you can see this type of interface. This is a main interface of a platform. Here you can see a many options. First of all you have to see a three banners here, like a man with a money, and money is here you can see a dollar. Here you can see a USDT coin. You can earn a lot of money from this platform. Simply first of all we have to simply click on company profile. After clicking on a company profile we can see a company profile here, like level 1 profit and experience trainee, full-time employee, manager, director, regional president, general manager, president. Here you can see direct. If you want to upgrade your trainee you have to add 5 USDT. If you want to full-time employee you can add a 30 USDT and a daily order to, and a daily income is a 1.5 and monthly income 45 USDT. Task reward bonus here, team A, team B, you can check all task reward bonus. Inviting members can also get 10% commission back. Invite a member, complete 5 tasks to get 5% commission for level A members. Here you can see all commissions are here. If you want to read in a detail and understand in a detail you can click on a company profile and read in a detail. Simply we are getting back from this, and after getting back we can see a next option is a recharge. Simply we have to click on a recharge. After clicking on a recharge you have to see this type of interface. First of all we have to copy this. After copying this we have to open our wallet, and after open our wallet we have to fill password. Then we have to click on a tether. Then we have to click on a send, and after clicking on a send we have to paste a recipient address here. Then we have to fill a amount. We can fill a 5 amount because we have to activate a trainee. Then we have to click on a continue, and after clicking on a continue it's loading, and after loading we have to click on a confirm, and after confirm it will be sent successfully. Now we are getting back to a platform. Then we have to click on a submit, and after clicking on a submit the money will be added as soon as possible. Now we can click on a mine. Here you can see our balance is a 5 USDT and a trainee is activated. You can see trainee is activated. Simply back on a main interface. If you want to download application you can easily download the application from here. Now I am going to tell how to earn money here. Simply we have to click on a trainee, and after clicking on a trainee we can see options here. Simply we have to click on this, and after clicking on this we have to click on a submit, and after clicking on a submit its task is completed successfully. Now we are getting back from this, and after getting back we have to simply click on trainee once more. Then I have to click on this. He is saying the number of orders placed up to date. They have one order for a trainee. If you want to join trainee you can easily join trainee by adding 5 USDT. If you want to join any other you can easily full-time employee you can add 30 USDT. Then you can get a lot of money from this. Here you can see a task. Simply we have to click on a task. Here we can see a doing task and a completed task. Doing task is a 0 and a completing task is a 1. You can see here. If you want to earn money by making team you can easily refer to your friend. This is the referral code. This is the invitation link. You can directly share referral link, invitation link to your friend, and say to your friend to join this platform. After your friend join platform adding money you can get a lot of a commission from this platform. Here's the referral reward. Here's the task reward detail. You can easily check here referral reward, task reward details. Here you can easily check these details here. Now we can click on a post. Here you can see a current status. If you want to upgrade VIP 2 like full-time employee you can add 30 USDT and a daily bonus. Daily bonus is a 1.50 USDT. And if you want to join a manager, as a manager the daily income is a 4 USDT, and a manager, if you want to add manager you can invest 80 USDT here. For director invest 200 USDT and a daily earning 14 USDT, and a regional president 500 and a earning is a 40 USDT. Here general manager, for general manager 1000 and a daily profit is a 100 USDT, And if you want to join as a president, you have to invest 3000 and a daily profit is of 450 USDT. Here's a lot of a profit you can see here. Now we click on a mine option. Here you can see a account here, the invitation code here, and a trainee. Simply click on this. We can see a balance here, our total today's earning here you can see. And if you want to see a personal information, you can simply click on a personal information. Here you can see a keep secret answer, detailed information, login password, fund password, all are here. You can check here. I also tell a recharge process, how to recharge here. Now we are going to tell a withdrawal process. Simply we have to add a withdrawal method here. We can click on a submit, and after clicking on a submit, we have to click on a add withdrawal method. Now I have to fill a USDT TRC20. Now we are getting back to our trust wallet. Then after back to our trust wallet, simply getting back from this, and after getting back, we have to simply copy our TRC20 address, and after copying the TRC20 address, we can back here and we can paste this from we have to simply click on a paste, and after clicking on a paste, we have to fill a password here, and after filling the password, we have to click on a submit, and after submitting it, it's added successfully. Now we are getting back, and after getting back, simply we have to fill amount here, and after filling the amount, we have to fill a payment password here, and after payment password, we have to simply select a withdrawal method, and then after click, we have to submit on this, and it's submitted successfully, and it will be received as soon as possible. Now we are going to tell next one is a fund. Here you can see your fund here. Here's the zero because I withdraw all money from this 5.4 USDT, and it will be received soon. I already tell a withdrawal method here. Here you can see our bank card and getting back from this. And now the next one is a transaction detail. Here you can see a recharge detail and a withdrawal detail here. It is under review, and it will be received as soon as possible. Now we can see a funding transaction details. Here I already tell transaction detail. Now you can funding detail. Funding details is here, revenue and expenditure here. Hopefully guys, if you had any query remaining this platform, you can directly consult customer care services here. You can directly consult customer service by clicking on this, and he will help you in such conditions. Those you don't know, you can ask him. He will solve your query. So hope guys. Now we are going to tell a withdrawal proof here. Simply we have to scroll down, then you can see 5.4 USDT received successfully. Simply click on this, then we have to put password, and after putting the password, we have to refresh this, then we have to click on a TRC20. Here you can see a 5.4 USDT received successfully today completed. Hope guys this platform is a trusted, you can easily trust on this. So invest here without any risk. This is a fully trusted platform, you can invest here. Meet you another video. For that, like this video. Bye bye.